In our previous lecture, we have learned sine rule, cosine rule, and projection rule. And also simultaneously we have solved some examples at that time. In this lecture number 8 of our topic trigonometric functions, let us see some examples based on sine rule, cosine rule, and projection rules. We will find or we will simplify this term only, first term, and similar because these terms are in cyclic change. A cube is changed by B cube, B cube is changed by C cube. Again B C A and here C A B. So these three terms are in cyclic order. Therefore, we will consider this first term only in the solution part. Consider A cube sine of B minus C. It is equal. Now A cube, if this A cube as it is, sine B minus C is in formula, we get sine B cos C minus cos B sin C. Okay, now in next step we will use now sine rule and cosine rule both. Sine B, sin C, those are nothing but we can put for sine B as BK. So it is BK. Cos C is nothing but A square plus B square minus C square upon twice AB minus, again using cosine rule here for angle B, C square plus A square minus B square upon twice CA into sin C is nothing but C into K. Okay. Now here one term B get cancelled. Here this B will get cancelled with this B. Here this C will get cancelled with this C. Remains here A cube. K is common in both terms, so take it outside. So this A cube into K. At the denominator here is twice A, here is also twice A. So we can take it outside. In bracket remains now A square plus B square minus C square. Apply this negative sign on this, we get minus C square minus A square plus B square. Okay. Now here A square get cancelled once again. That is equal to, now here cancelling one A, we get A square K upon 2. In bracket remains B square plus B square, that is twice B square. Minus C square is minus twice C square. So it can be written as this. So again cancelling these two here, remains A square K in bracket B square minus C square. So this is the another form of this first term. A cube sine B minus C is equal to A square K into B square minus C square. So if you observe carefully, here is A cube, so that we get here A square with K. Here angle B minus C, capital B minus C is there, we get here small b square minus C square. So if we see this one, then B cube sine of C minus A, then for this we get similarly we can write or we can prove B cube sine of C minus A, this is equal to, instead of B cube we get here B square K in bracket. Here is B minus C, so we get B square minus C square. Here is C minus A, so we will get C square minus A square. Consider this as result 1. This has result 2. And the last term, that is c cube into sine of a minus b, it is equal to c square k, and here is in bracket a square minus b square. This is equation 3. So here now take the addition of these three terms. So taking these three terms, this is three terms. So let us consider LHS equal to this, and that is equal to, now a cube sin b minus c is a square k in bracket b square minus c square, plus b cube sin c minus a is b square k in bracket c square minus a square, plus last one will be plus c square k in bracket a square minus b square. Okay, let us simplify that or take the addition of those three. So that we get here, it is equal to a cube a square b square k minus here a square c square k plus b square c square k minus a square b square k plus c square a square k and minus b square c square k. This a square b square k, it will cancel with this a square b square k. This minus a square c square k is cancelled with this plus c square a square k, and this plus b square c square k will cancel with minus of b square c square k. So the answer will be 0, and that is our required right hand side. So in such examples, if three terms are given which are in cyclic order, then you first simplify the only first term, and similarly you can write the results for second and third and take the addition, you will get the RHS. Okay, now let us see example number 2. Let us consider the LHS first. LHS is equal to the same sine of a minus b upon sine of a plus b. It is equal. Now use formula for this compound angle a minus b. It will be sine a cos b minus cos a sin b, all divided by, we can use the formula because here ABC with the unit to prove that these angles ABC are of triangle. So here sin a plus b is nothing but sine of pi minus c, because a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Therefore a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Now use the sine rule and cosine rule. Here using sine rule, sine a is equal to a upon 2r, that is nothing but k, ak. So you get here this sine a is equal to ak into cos b is equal to c square plus a square minus b square upon twice c a minus cos a. The formula is here, it is b square plus c square minus a square upon twice bc into sin b is nothing but b. Now whole divided by this sin pi minus c is nothing but sin c, and this sin c can be written as again ck. So it is equal to, at the numerator now here a get cancelled, here b get cancelled, so remains k. In both terms taking k common, we get k in bracket c square plus a square Here twice c is common, so c square plus a square minus b square. Apply negative sign on each, we get minus b square minus c square plus a square, and whole divided by twice c. This is the numerator, and at the denominator there is only ck. Okay, so this kk get cancelled once again. Here c square and minus c square they get cancelled. A square plus a square is twice a square. B minus b square minus b square is minus twice b square. Taking 2 common, we get twice of a square minus b square, and at the denominator we get 2c square. These two get cancelled once again. Remains a square minus b square upon c square. That is our RHS. That is the RHS. So this one is also very simple. Just use formula for sin a minus b, and then use sine rule and cosine rule. And remember to convert this sin a plus b into sin pi minus c, that is sin c, that is again c. So that we get RHS a square minus b square upon c square. Let us move towards the next one. So remember the way this is given equation, and you have to show that a square, b square, c square are in AP. To prove that the same a square, b square, c square are in AP, that is to prove that a square plus c square upon 2, that is equal to b square. So b square is the arithmetic mean of a square and c square. Also, it is nothing but a square plus c square is equal to twice b square. That we have to prove. Okay, let us start with the given. Since sin a upon sin c is equal to sin of a minus b upon sin of b minus c. Now use sine rule. Sin a is equal to a upon 2r, that is nothing but ak. We can consider it as that constant as k, 1 upon 2r. So we get here as ak. Similarly sin c will be ck, that is equal to sin a minus b. Once again, in previous example also we have used the same formula. It is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, whole divided by sin b minus c. It is sin b, similar formula, cos c minus cos b sin c. Okay, this is first step. Here kk get cancelled. Therefore, to the left remains only a upon c is equal. Now, here sin a, again use sine rule and cosine rule in each term here. Sin a is ak, cos b is c square plus a square minus b square upon twice ca minus cos a is b square plus c square minus a square upon twice bc into sin b is bk. That using cosine rules for cos b, angle b and angle a, whole divided by sin b is bk into cos c. Cos c is nothing but a square plus b square minus c square upon twice a b minus cos b is c square plus a square minus b square upon twice ca into sin c is ck. Okay, now if you observe, this k is present in each term, so it can be taken common and cancelled from numerator and denominator. Here a get cancelled, also bb get cancelled. In this term B get cancelled, and in this term C get cancelled. Okay, K also cancelled with each other. So remains A upon C is equal to, if you observe this denominator, then this is twice C, twice C. So denominator is same. So take the addition of numerators, that is C square plus A square minus B square minus B square minus C square, here minus minus plus A square, whole divided by twice C. Divided by, it means here A square plus B square minus C square. Apply negative sign on each, minus C square minus A square plus B square, all divided by twice A, that is twice A. Now here which term get cancelled? C square and minus C square. At the denominator here, A square and A square get cancelled. Remains here A square plus A square is twice A square. So we get A upon C is equal to A square twice A square minus B square twice B square, and whole divided by these two get cancelled, which are both at denominators of numerator and denominator. So divided by C. At the denominator B square is twice B square. Is minus C square is minus twice C square, taking two common, whole divided by only E. Now this two get cancelled. This A is at denominator and C is at denominator, which cancel with these two. A will cancel with this A, C will cancel with this C. Therefore, we get 1 equal to A square minus B square upon B square minus C square. Is it clear? Because this A is the denominator of the denominator, so it becomes numerator. So this A will goes to the numerator, and that C will come to the denominator. So cancelling this A and C, we get this one. Therefore, simplifying, we get B square minus C square is equal to A square minus B square. That is, taking this B square to the left, we get 2B square is equal to A square plus C square. 2B square is equal to A square plus C square. Therefore, A square, B square and C square are in AP. So here we get result, that is 2B square is equal to A square plus C square. Therefore, A square, B square, C square are in arithmetic progression. Okay. Let us start with this left hand side. We will find the values of LHS and RHS. So LHS will be A sin A minus B sin B. It is equal to A. Sin A is equal to A upon 2R. That 1 upon 2R is nothing but suppose K, so we get AK. So sin A becomes AK by sin rule, and B becomes similarly BK by sin rule. So it is equal to A square K minus B square K. This is our LHS. No need to give the equation. Let us consider now RHS. RHS is C into sin of A minus B. So it is equal to C into sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So it is equal to C into bracket. Sin A is 1 second AK, cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon twice CA minus cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon twice BC into sin B is BK. Here A get cancelled, B get cancelled. Remains denominator twice C, which is common. Taking A common from both terms, we get CA. Take this twice C also common outside. So in bracket remains this numerator only, that is C square plus A square minus B square minus B square. Apply negative sign, minus C square plus A square. So here C square get cancelled. Here CC get cancelled. Remains 2k upon 2 in bracket. A square plus A square is twice A square minus B square minus twice B square. Take 2 common. Cancelling 1 second 2. We get k A square k minus B square k. That is, this LHS and RHS both are equal. So the required result. Okay, this is the way to prove this example. Let us see next one. Example number 5. Let us see the solution. We can take LHS and obtain RHS also. Let us start with LHS. LHS is as it is this. It is equal. Now C minus B cos A. What is cos A? Cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon twice BC. Whole divided by B minus C into cos A. Cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon twice BC. Here B get cancelled. Here C get cancelled. So remains here C. Twice C is here. So we get make common denominator for these two terms. So we get twice C into C, that is twice C square. Apply negative sign on this. We get minus B square minus C square plus A square. Whole divided by twice C. Now add the denominator. Make denominator common again. So multiply by 2b square. So 2b square minus b square minus c square plus a square divided by twice b. These two to get cancelled. But no need to cancel 2 because it is required for cos b and cos c. So don't cancel it here. Here we get at the numerator, we get 2c square minus c square is c square plus a square minus b square upon twice c. Here 2b square minus b square is b square plus a square. I will write it as a square plus b square minus a square upon twice b. Let us observe carefully. The RHS is cos b upon cos c, and cos b is c square plus a square minus b square upon twice ca. In cos b it is minus twice ca. Here only c is there, so we need here a. This is cos c. Cos c is a square plus b square minus c square upon twice bc. Cos c is twice ab. So we need here a. So dividing numerator and denominator by a, we get those required results. So it is equal to, this is nothing but cos b This is nothing but cos C, and that is equal to RHS. So using sine rule and using cosine rule only, we have proved this result. This is based on only cosine rule. Once we have used here cosine rule for cos A, just simplified, multiplying by A at the denominator of numerator and denominators, then we get cos B and cos C. That is our RHS. Okay. This one is example number 5. Now let us see example number 6. Let us see the solution. Here, take LHS is equal to A square into sine of B minus C, and it is equal to A square. Sine of B minus C is sine B cos C minus cos B sin C. It is equal A square in bracket. For sine B, we get BK. For cos C, it is A square plus B square minus C square upon twice AB. Minus cos B is C square plus A square minus B square upon twice CA, and sin C is CK. Is it okay? Here once again B get cancelled, C get cancelled, denominator becomes twice A, at the numerator K is common, take all outside, we get A square into K upon denominator is twice A. In bracket, what remain here? A square plus B square minus C square. Apply negative sign on each. Here AK get cancelled, remains AK upon 2 in bracket. Again cancelling here A square, remains B square plus B square is twice of B square minus C square. Cancelling 2 again, we get AK in bracket B square minus C square. Now to the RHS, here is B square minus C square that we obtain here in bracket. Now remains sin A. This AK is nothing but obviously sin A. So we get B square minus C square into sin A, that is equal to our RHS. So this one is also very simple. Let us move towards the next example number 7. Let us see the solution of this. Here to the left, cos B and cos A are present. We have formulas for cos B and cos A. Let us use those formulas. So LHS is equal to AC cos B minus BC cos A. It is equal to A into C into cos B and cos A. Cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon twice CA minus BC into cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon twice BC. Already here AC is given, so this whole AC get cancelled with this AC. This BC get cancelled with this BC. So denominator will be 2, and at the numerator we have C square plus A square minus B square, and we get minus B square minus C square and plus A square. So here this C square get cancelled, remains 2 times A square plus A square is 2A square, and minus B square minus B square is minus 2 times B square, taking 2 common, and this 2 is already present at the denominator. So cancelling these 2, we get it is equal to A square minus B square, and that is our RHS. This example may be asked in exam for 2 marks. Now let us see example number 8. solution. Let us see the LHS. In LHS, once again, cos A, cos B, and cos C are there. So use those three formulas in LHS, you will get RHS. So LHS is equal to cos A upon A plus cos B upon B plus cos C upon C, and it is cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon twice BC divided by A, means you get multiple of the denominator, plus cos B is C square plus A square minus B square upon twice CA into this B, get multiplied to the denominator, plus cos C is A square plus B square minus C square upon twice AB, and that C is given, it becomes multiple of the denominator. So it is equal to, now the denominator of each term is same, that is twice ABC. At the numerator we get B square plus C square minus A square plus C square minus plus A square minus B square plus A square plus B square minus C square. So this is our numerator. Now this plus B square get cancelled with minus B square. One C square get cancelled with this negative C square, and this A square get cancelled with minus A square get cancelled with plus A square. So remains here C square, A square, and B square. That is nothing but A square plus B square plus C square upon twice ABC, and is nothing but the given our RHS. Let us see now example number 9. Let us start with LHS of this example. Example number 9. LHS is equal to cos 2A upon A square minus cos 2B upon B square. We can write this double angle formula for twice A, cos 2A, in terms of sine or cos. It will become easy or convenient to use this double angle formula in terms of sine. So we will write it as 1 minus 2 times sine square A upon A square, because sine rule is easy than cosine rule, minus cos 2B is 1 minus 2 sine square B upon B square. So it is equal to 1 minus, here 2, sine A is AK, so we get here AK bracket square upon A square, minus 1 minus 2 sine B is BK, its square upon B square. So it is equal to 1 minus 2 into A square K square, 2 A square K square. Let us divide separately by this A square, separating this denominator, minus we get 1 upon B square, minus minus becomes plus 2 B square K square upon B square. Here A square get cancelled, here B square get cancelled. So remains 1 upon A square minus this 2K square minus 1 upon B square, and this plus 2K. So this minus 2K square plus 2K square will get cancelled. Remains 1 upon A square minus 1 upon B square, and that is nothing but our required RHS. Okay. So this example is based on only sine rule. Let us see the proof of this. Here in the LHS only sine A minus B is given, so we will start with that. That is LHS is equal to sine of A minus B. Now this A minus B is nothing but sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. It is equal. Similar, so many examples are similar. Here once again use sine rule and cosine rule. Now sin A is nothing but AK, cos B is nothing but C square plus A square minus B square upon twice CA. Next, cos A is B square plus A square minus A square upon twice BC into sin B is BK. Once again cancelling A and B from these two terms. That is equal to, now denominator is twice C, it is common, same. At the numerator we can take K common, so it is K into this C square plus A square minus B square. Apply this negative once again, it is minus B square minus C square plus A square. Once again cancelling C square, we get K in bracket A square is twice A square, and this minus B square becomes twice B square, whole divided by 2C. Once again 2 get cancelled. Numerator becomes A square minus B square into K upon C. Now if you observe right hand side here, we get A square minus B square, but A square plus B square is at the denominator. So you have to make some change here, because in given part angle C is equal to 90. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90, means triangle ABC is like this. Angle C is right angle. So in second part, as in triangle ABC, angle C equal to 90. Therefore CAB. Therefore AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square. AB is C square equal to A square, AC is B square plus A square. Therefore we can write C square equal to A square plus B square. So this here is C, so multiply both numerator and denominator by C, we get A square minus B square into KC upon C square. So it is equal to A square minus B square upon C square is nothing but, use this here, using equation 1 we get this as A square plus B square, and CK is nothing but sin C. By using sin rule, this CK is equal to sin C, and sin C, but angle C is 90, so sin 90 is equal to 1. Therefore A square minus B square upon A square plus B square into sin 90, and it is equal to 1. So A square minus B square upon A square plus B square, and that is equal to RHS. So this one is somehow different, only you have to make adjustment. You have to get here multiply numerator and denominator by C, and you get C square. That C square is nothing but A square plus B square, so that you get that denominator A square plus B square, and here sin C, that is sin 90, that is sin pi by 2 equal to 1. So we get RHS. So this one is last example 10. Now after learning all these 10 examples, you can easily solve the remaining one. Okay.